Good morning students. Now today we are discussing about the topic that is ages of aptitude, and in this topic we have to see some certain points before starting the question, and some certain things are that while you are solving the problems on ages, we have to analyze the statement first. What is given, whether it is given in the past or in the future or in the present. So now this is very important topic for the class of 7th as well as 8th standard topic, 8th standard of the students, and this type of questions can come in exam as well as in the competitive exams. Now suppose a person Ram having present age, that is y years. राम की प्रेजेंट एज हमें दे रखी है y ईयर्स, एंड इफ़ वी से दैट व्हाट इज एज 5 ईयर्स अगो, आज से 5 साल पहले इसकी एज क्या होगी. सो एज 5 ईयर्स अगो. नाउ प्रेजेंट एज इज y and 5 years ago means 5 साल पीछे, means we have to go back 5 years back, so that is 5y minus 5 years. Similarly, if it asks after 5 years from the present age, after 5 years from the present age, so age 5 years after, age we have to find 5 years after. So what is the present age? That is y, so that is y, and after 5 years that is plus 5, so that is 5 plus 5 years. So age after ago and age 5 years ago and age 5 years after, so means in case if we have to go back before, so we will subtract it from the present age, and if we have to move towards the future or after some years, so we will add it to the present age. So we need to know the what is the present age of that individual person. Now see, some question is that if the present age of Ram and Rahim are in ratio 3:4, and the sum of their ages is 35. Find their ages. Means ratio is given, ratio of Ram and Rahim's age is given as 3:4, and if the sum of their ages is 35, दोनों की एज की हमें रेशो दे रखी है यहाँ पे, और दोनों की एजेस का हमें सम दे रखा है, दैट इज़ 35, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट देयर एजेस की उनकी अब दोनों की एजेस कितनी होगी. सो लेट्स सी, whenever the question is given in the form of ratio, then we know what do you mean by the term ratio. Ratio means on which any hidden number is multiplied. So here we can consider it is as the Ram here and Rahim here. The ratio is 3:4, and let's multiply it with any variable, that is x, or a very unknown number you can say, that is x. So x here is any unknown number, but obviously it is a multiple because in ratio we need a multiple. Now 3x and 4x, let's see. Now what is given? The sum of their ages is 35. Sum of means 3x plus 4x is 35. 3x plus 4x is 7x. 7x, that is 35. And here if we can find the value of x, that is 35 by 7. So x is equal to 5. So value of x is 5, and what we have to find? We have to find the present age of Ram and Rahim. Present age of Ram is 3x, so 3 multiply 5, that is 15 years, and present age of Rahim is 4x, that is 4 multiply 5, that is 20 years. So this is how we do the question that is based on the ratio. And the another type of question is that, see, if the average age, you can say the average age of mother and father is 30 years, that is mother and father's average age is 30 years. So mother and father is 30, and average means this is divided by 2, so mother and father's age will comes out to be 60 years. This is first equation. And average age of mother, father and son is 25 years. So mother, father and son is 25 years. Average means average of all three. So mother plus father plus son, that is 25 multiply 3, that is 75 years. So that is 2. And we have to find the age of son. So it is very clear from the both of the equations that the average age of mother and father is 60. You can say not the average age now. The age of the mother and father is 60. We have already taken the average, and the age of mother, father and son is 75 years, and we have to find the average. We have to find the age of son. So how we can see? We can subtract equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So here it is mother, father plus son, that is 75. Here it is mother and father, that is 60. So while we subtract, the sign will gonna change. So what's left here? Son, and that is 15 years. So the age of son is 15 years. So in this video, what we have discussed in ages, we have discussed about the basics, that the present age is x, and we have to find the present we have to find the ages few years ago or few years back. So we will subtract from the present age, and if we have to find the present age few years hence or after few years, then we will add it from the present age. Then we have done two types of questions. The first type of question is how to solve the question when it is given in the form of the ratio, and the next is if the age is given in the form of average ages, like mother and father's average age, mother, father and son's average age. So these are the few types of the questions that we have discussed in this video, that is based on the problems of the ages. And in the next video we will discuss few more types. Till then, practice questions on the ages, and you can ask your queries in the comment section. Thank you.